Hi, this is Astha Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are here at SEMICON India 2025, which is happening in Yashobhoomi from 2nd September to 4th. Follow along to see what's happening in semiconductor industry in India and across globe. Thank you.
Can you tell about your company and product?
Okay, so before I talk about my company, let me introduce myself. I am Sanjeev Shrivastava. I am heading the industrial automation business in Delta Electronics India. And you spoke about the introduction to the company. Delta Electronics is a Taiwan-based company. We are present in the market for more than 54 years now. And in India, we are a company which is more than 22 years old. So the four pillars of business what Delta has is the industrial automation, e-mobility, its infrastructure, and power and thermal management. So this is the four pillars of the business what we do. And industrial automation is one of the growing businesses for Delta. And what we see is that we have been very strong in our product businesses. But now as we see the industry moving from industrial 4.0 to 5.0, we have a lot of solutions also to provide for the industry.
So the question is, how much branches do you have in India or other countries?
So we are present in more than 170 countries worldwide. Basically, we have offices in America, in Europe, India, China, Thailand, Taiwan, and other places as well. And if you talk about India, we have more than 22 offices across India, where we are, closer to the customers, serving them with their business requirements.
So, sir, can you tell qualities of your product that make better from others?
So, Delta is a technology company, and we have been investing in our R&D for many years, and normally we have a very strong R&D team. So, globally as well as in India. So, when we talk about the quality of the product and the performance, I think Delta stands out amongst our competition.